Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know when I say it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys, I'm gonna do a little food video. Make some chicken soup. It's gonna be good chicken soup. You understand me? It's gonna be a good soup. I'm making that you guys can make the same chicken soup too. So I'm gonna take you along with me to the store. Okay guys? Alright. Can't do no recording in the store because they're playing music in there. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought today. I'm making some chicken soup, as I said. I have chicken already home, so I bought some pumpkin, some turnip, and a chocho, and I have carrot and potato at home, so I did need to buy those guys. So guys, for my chicken soup, you could see here I'm using 4 chicken leg, 1 chocho that I already peeled, 1 turnip, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 carrot, and my pumpkin. So this is what I'm going to use to make my chicken soup, and 2 cloves of garlic. Okay guys, so I'm going to chop up my vegetable now and get it going. All right, my vegetable, do the carrot first. This is my carrot, pumpkin, my carrot, my pumpkin. This is my chocho. Chocho like a chocho, you know, chocho. They're them kind of chocho there, you know, people. I'm talking about this kind of chocho. This kind of chocho really kind of resemble a chocho, you know. But we're talking about the food one, okay? Now, guys, I know sometimes I'm doing my video and I'm funny, and another time I'm not funny because what? I want to know how we can cook the soup properly, do the food properly. Anyway guys, this soup here is, they make it where you guys can cook it, but they use it for your prank on the Angelo, Cyan and Papa Harry guys. Okay, this is the turnip. Oh, this turnip is shaped very funny. I don't even want to tell the way it's shaped like, because if I tell the way it's shaped like, I probably get myself in a problem. This is my vegetable, well cut up. Getting it ready to put in a guys. Anyway guys, this is my vegetable well cut up, and I have this onion here. So this onion here, I'm gonna put it in the pot, and I'm putting it in the pot with my 4 chicken leg. A chicken leg already washed with some vinegar and lemon, as I like to wash my chicken. So I put that in with the onion and the garlic and let that go and do it boil. Onion, garlic in my pot. Okay guys, this is how it look. My veggie and my chicken is in the pot. So now that I go boil for half an hour till the pumpkin gets soft, the turnip gets soft, and the chocho gets soft, and then we do the next step. Okay guys, so as I said guys, this video is a prank Pan D'Angelo and Papa Harry, but I am making the soup from scratch for run this pan the three of them. Okay guys, all right, I'll be back with the second part of the soup. Okay, so this is the next step. I have 4 Irish potato that I'm gonna cut up and put into the pot with the pumpkin, the chocho, and the chicken. So guys, this is how this look now. So I'm gonna put in my 4 Irish potato and my couple pieces of yellow yam, and I have 1 cocoa. So I'm gonna put that in now. So in goes my 4 Irish potato and my 4 Irish potato and my cocoa. So now we're gonna bring this to a boil and cook the Irish potato, and then when I come back I'm gonna put some corn in there. Okay guys, and then I'm gonna season up my chicken soup, my chicken leg soup. We're gonna be a saltpeter for Papa Dilo. Next step, I have 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces of corn that I'm gonna put in there in my soup. Okay, so 7 pieces of corn. Put that in there. Give that a stir. Okay. So now, as you could see, I'm gonna put my scallion and thyme in there. The scallion and the thyme in there, and then after that, give it 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put my noodle. Look how it looks, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Nice, nice. So okay guys, now I'm coming to the final stage of the soup. So this is the noodle, pumpkin beef noodle I'm using today. My special season garlic, my garlic oil, and my spicy pepper melody. Okay, so these 2 seasons. So I'm gonna put that in and give it a stir, and then it would ready to go. And guys, you see me have my nice big Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay. Okay guys, see my soup here, it's finished, ready to go. Okay, make some chicken soup, and I use 4 chicken legs, since you want to know. 4 chicken legs? 4 chicken legs. Chicken noodle soup. So I make chicken noodle soup. So I want you guys to taste the soup and tell me what you think about the soup. What the soup is. Yeah, it's good?
This food.
Okay.
Mama.
What?
This is disgusting.
Oh my God.
What's so disgusting about it? And guys, I like it to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit my post notification belly things of mine, so that when I do a video, you don't miss it. And guys, give me 10,000K like
10,000K, yeah.
Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.
Peace.